Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have Garmin tactix 7 and today I'm going to show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. So let's get started. So if you want to download additional watch faces on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application, and after the devices are paired together, I recommend to install additional application called Connect IQ Store. This makes installation of applications and watch faces and stuff like that a lot easier and more convenient. I really recommend it. And to do that, simply go to your phone, open the Play Store or App Store, because it also works on iPhone as well. So doesn't matter if you have an iPhone or Android phone. Open the App Store, tap on search, tap on the search bar and type in Connect IQ and tap on search. And here we have this Connect IQ Store application with this icon. Install it, and after it's done installing, open the application. And once you open the app, you should see your account right here. Tap on continue, check the box, tap next. And after a while, you should see the home page of the app. Oh, if you see this pop up, tap on allow the required permission. This one is not required, but I will also allow it. And here we have it. This is the home page of the Connect IQ Store. And now you can browse different categories, look for something you like, and install it if you want to. I'm just gonna tap on search and select watch face category to narrow my search only to watch faces, and scroll through something, look for something to download. Let's see. I just say this one. And once you select the watch face, you will see this page, and here we have the description, what's new, reviews. As you can see, you can also check if the watch face is compatible with your watch by tapping on compatible devices right here, and scroll down and look for the watch on your list, or rather for your watch on the list. My bad. Tactix 7 is here, so it will AMOLED. This is the AMOLED version. Okay, so it will work. Okay, and now we can tap on install, allow the required permission, and the queue will basically start. And sometimes it might take a long time for it to install because something is in a queue, like update or something like that. So it might take a while, but once it's done installing, you will see this pop up on your in the app and also on your watch. And then you can tap on got it. On the watch, you can go back to watch face, and the watch face should be applied, as you can see. And if you go to the main page of the IQ Store and go to device, to your Tactix 7, you can tap on my watch faces, and here you have the list of watch faces installed on your watch. And you can remove them, you can change the settings for them and stuff like that. So you have a list right here. It's more convenient to check right here, or just compare it to like browsing on the watch and stuff like that. That's why I'm saying that this app is more convenient. It really is. It makes installing stuff on your watch a lot easier. Okay, so that's how you install additional watch faces on this watch. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.